Welcome to another episode of Healthy Aging Wisdom. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic that affects us all, especially as we get older: how the food we eat at night can dramatically improve our sleep, recovery, and overall health. It's a subject many overlook, but it can make a profound difference in how we feel, look, and even think as we age. Many of us are familiar with the struggle to sleep soundly, especially as we get older. In fact, it's become so common that we've accepted disrupted sleep as a normal part of aging. But here's the surprising truth: what you eat before bed could be one of the most powerful tools for reclaiming your nights and ultimately your life. I know you've probably heard it before: take a melatonin supplement to sleep better. But what if I told you that relying on pills to fix your sleep is missing a much more natural, deeply effective solution? Your body is designed to heal itself, whether that's through quality sleep, nutrient-dense foods, or deep recovery during the nighttime hours. When you understand how your body responds to specific foods, you can effortlessly support your own natural sleep cycles and hormonal rhythms. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's about recovery, muscle repair, memory consolidation, and even longevity. The foods we choose to nourish ourselves with in the evening play a huge role in these processes. If you've ever struggled with waking up tired or feeling like you just didn't get enough deep rest, the answer could lie in your evening nutrition. Throughout this speech, I'm going to share with you the 5 nighttime foods that the world's healthiest seniors eat regularly. These are the foods that support better sleep, accelerate healing, and ultimately contribute to a vibrant, energetic life. They're not just quick fixes, they're part of a holistic approach that taps into your body's natural rhythms, allowing you to sleep deeper, recover faster, and feel more alive each day. You don't need to fight your body, you just need to understand it. By making small yet significant changes to your nighttime eating habits, you'll not only enhance the quality of your sleep, but also improve your overall wellness. If you care about sleeping deeper, healing faster, and aging with energy, make sure to watch until the end and subscribe so you don't miss the natural wisdom your body is craving. How nutrient timing enhances sleep and recovery. One of the most fundamental and often overlooked elements of sleep and recovery is the timing of your meals. It's not just what you eat that matters, but when you eat it, your body operates on a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles, digestion, and hormone production. This rhythm is profoundly influenced by what you eat and when. As you approach bedtime, your body's needs change. During the day, your metabolism is at its peak, and it's important to eat foods that provide steady energy and support the body's active functions. But as night falls, your metabolism begins to slow and your body shifts into repair mode. This is where nutrient timing plays a pivotal role in not just sleeping well, but recovering well. Eating large, heavy meals too close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you restless or waking up during the night. That's because your body is still working to digest the food, preventing it from entering the deeper restorative stages of sleep. In contrast, eating smaller, well-timed meals or snacks that support relaxation can ensure that your body is ready for deep sleep, muscle repair, and recovery. There's a particular benefit to having your last meal or snack about 2 to 3 hours before bed. This allows your body time to begin digesting the food without overwhelming your digestive system or causing blood sugar fluctuations that can wake you up. But this doesn't mean eating just anything. The foods you choose to eat during this window can actively encourage deep sleep. For example, protein-rich foods such as turkey or eggs contain amino acids that can support the production of serotonin and melatonin, the neurotransmitters responsible for regulating sleep. In addition, healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, eaten with your evening meal, can help stabilize blood sugar levels through the night, preventing spikes and crashes that can disrupt your sleep. It's also important to note the power of hydration. Your body needs water to repair and rebuild tissues overnight, but drinking too much liquid too close to bedtime can result in frequent trips to the bathroom, disrupting your sleep. Instead, aim for hydration earlier in the evening, and if necessary, have a small sip of water right before bed. By aligning your food intake with your body's natural rhythms, you can amplify your sleep quality and recovery. Your body is constantly working to heal itself, but it needs the right nutrients at the right time to do so effectively. By making small adjustments to your nighttime eating habits, you support your body's recovery cycle and allow yourself to wake up feeling refreshed and restored. If this insight is helping you think about your health and nutrition in a new way, tap the like button. It helps us reach more people who need this. The power of magnesium and its role in deep sleep. Magnesium is one of the most underrated minerals when it comes to sleep, especially for seniors. Many people think of magnesium as just a muscle relaxer or something that helps with leg cramps, but its role in sleep and recovery goes much deeper than that. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, many of which are essential for good health and restful sleep. What's happening in your body when you take magnesium before bed is remarkable. Magnesium helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of your body responsible for relaxation and rest. It promotes the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms the nervous system and prepares your body for deep sleep. In fact, research shows that magnesium can help increase both the quality and duration of your sleep by facilitating this calming effect. For seniors, magnesium is especially important because as we age, we tend to have lower magnesium levels in the body. This deficiency can lead to poor sleep quality, muscle cramps, anxiety, and even chronic pain, issues that many older adults experience regularly. But the good news is that getting enough magnesium, particularly through food, is an easy and natural way to support your body's natural rhythms and improve sleep. Magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes, can be great additions to your nighttime routine. These foods not only provide magnesium but also other nutrients that support sleep, like zinc and potassium. By including magnesium in your evening meals or snacks, you help your body prepare for a restorative night's sleep without the need for synthetic sleep aids. If you're struggling with sleep, consider adding magnesium-rich foods to your evening meals and see the difference it can make. Just 30 minutes before bed, a handful of almonds, a small portion of spinach, or a cup of herbal tea with a touch of magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds can all contribute to a more peaceful and uninterrupted sleep cycle. The key here is consistency. Magnesium works best when incorporated regularly into your diet, rather than as a one-time supplement or quick fix. By making magnesium-rich foods a nightly habit, you'll support your body's innate ability to relax and recover deeply during the night. If you're learning something new today, subscribe so you don't miss more natural healing wisdom that can help you age gracefully and sleep soundly. Tryptophan, the sleep-inducing amino acid. When it comes to sleep, many people are familiar with the idea that certain foods can help you feel drowsy, but few understand why. One of the key players in this process is an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan is a precursor to two essential hormones, serotonin and melatonin, that are directly responsible for regulating your mood and sleep. What's happening in your body is simple but powerful. Tryptophan, once ingested, gets converted into serotonin, which has a calming, mood-lifting effect. Serotonin, in turn, is converted into melatonin, the sleep hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. The beauty of this process is that it all starts with tryptophan, a nutrient your body needs to produce these calming, sleep-promoting hormones. For seniors, getting enough tryptophan in the evening is especially important. As we age, our ability to produce serotonin and melatonin naturally declines. This can contribute to insomnia, mood imbalances, and difficulty staying asleep. The good news is that consuming tryptophan-rich foods before bed can help your body produce the melatonin it needs for deep, restful sleep. Foods rich in tryptophan include turkey, eggs, dairy, and seeds like pumpkin and sunflower seeds. These foods provide a natural, gentle way to support your body's sleep cycle without relying on pills or synthetic supplements. For instance, a small serving of turkey or a boiled egg in the evening can be a perfect way to boost tryptophan levels and enhance melatonin production. It's important to note that tryptophan is most effective when paired with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates help transport tryptophan into the brain, so combining your tryptophan-rich foods with a small amount of complex carbs, like a slice of whole grain toast or a small bowl of quinoa, can enhance its effectiveness. This nutrient combination helps create the ideal conditions for your body to relax and transition into sleep. By making tryptophan-rich foods part of your nightly routine, you can naturally support your body's ability to fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more rested. And unlike sleep medications, this approach works with your body's natural processes to create long-term benefits for your health and well-being. If this information is helping you see the connection between food and sleep in a new light, don't forget to like this video. It helps others discover this powerful natural wisdom. The gut-brain connection and nighttime nourishment. Did you know that your gut is often referred to as your second brain? It's not just a catchy term, there's real science behind it. The gut and brain are intricately connected through a vast network of nerves, hormones, and chemicals. This communication is so important that what happens in your gut can directly influence your sleep, mood, and cognitive function. And surprisingly, the foods you eat before bed can have a profound impact on this gut-brain connection. When you sleep, your body doesn't simply turn off. It's actively working on healing, detoxification, and memory consolidation. But to do this effectively, the brain requires a stable environment, and that stability starts in the gut. The gut microbiome, the diverse community of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in your digestive system, plays a critical role in maintaining this balance. A healthy gut microbiome supports proper digestion, immune function, and the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which is key for mood and sleep regulation. For seniors, maintaining a healthy gut becomes even more important. As we age, the composition of our gut microbiome can change, often leading to imbalances that contribute to sleep disturbances, cognitive decline, and mood swings. The good news is that you can nourish your gut with the right foods, creating a healthier, more balanced gut-brain communication pathway. Fermented foods are a powerful ally in supporting this balance. Foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. These foods not only support digestion, but also enhance the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that's also crucial for sleep regulation. Including a serving of fermented food with your dinner can help prepare your gut for optimal communication with your brain during the night. In addition, prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and leafy greens help nourish the probiotics in your gut. Prebiotics are the food for the beneficial bacteria, allowing them to thrive and function at their best. A healthy, well-balanced microbiome supports better digestion, mood, and sleep, making prebiotics an excellent choice for your nighttime meals. So what's the takeaway here? By eating foods that nourish both your gut and brain before bed, you're setting yourself up for a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. The gut-brain connection is a powerful force that you can harness by choosing the right foods, like fermented vegetables, high-fiber greens, and prebiotic-rich foods to support your overall wellness. This in turn helps to reduce anxiety, enhance sleep, and improve cognitive function as you age. If you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health wisdom that will help you age gracefully. How anti-inflammatory foods promote healing and sleep. Chronic inflammation is one of the most common and underestimated contributors to poor sleep and accelerated aging, especially as we age. While inflammation is a natural part of the body's healing response, when it becomes chronic, it can interfere with your body's ability to repair itself, disrupt sleep cycles, and even promote the development of age-related diseases. The good news is that you can actively combat this inflammation with the foods you choose to eat, especially before bedtime. Inflammation has a direct impact on sleep quality. Studies show that high levels of inflammation in the body can increase the likelihood of sleep disturbances, including insomnia. It disrupts the production of melatonin, interferes with the brain's ability to enter deeper stages of restorative sleep, and may even cause pain or discomfort that makes it difficult to rest. For seniors who are already more prone to chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and metabolic issues, managing inflammation becomes crucial for both sleep and overall health. So how can you fight this inflammation with food? The key is to focus on anti-inflammatory foods, which can help lower the body's inflammatory response and promote healing. These foods are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and nutrients that work together to reduce inflammation and support better sleep. One of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you can include in your nighttime meals is fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and improve sleep quality. Omega-3C also support heart health, brain function, and muscle repair, critical areas for seniors. A small portion of fatty fish in the evening can help reduce inflammation, calm the nervous system, and encourage deeper, more restorative sleep. Another key anti-inflammatory food is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Including a small amount of turmeric in your dinner, perhaps with a warm cup of golden milk or mixed into a vegetable dish, can help lower inflammation and support the healing process overnight. Curcumin also supports brain health, which is particularly important as we age, helping to prevent cognitive decline and promote mental clarity. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are also excellent sources of antioxidants that combat inflammation. These berries are rich in polyphenols, which not only reduce inflammation, but also support heart health, improve blood circulation, and regulate blood sugar. Adding a small serving of berries to your evening snack or dessert can provide a delicious way to fight inflammation while nourishing your body for sleep. Lastly, Don't underestimate the power of green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. These vegetables are packed with nutrients, including vitamins and minerals that support your body's detoxification processes and reduce oxidative stress. By including these greens in your evening meals, you help your body restore balance, lower inflammation, and prepare for a restful night of sleep. By focusing on anti-inflammatory foods, you're not just improving your sleep, you're also supporting your body's ability to heal itself. Inflammation is a key driver of aging, and by choosing the right foods, you can reduce its impact on your body, allowing you to sleep better, recover faster, and maintain more energy throughout the day. If this is resonating with you, remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss more science-backed tips for healthy aging and natural healing. Now that we've explored the powerful connection between food and sleep, it's clear that what we eat at night can dramatically influence how we recover, heal, and age. By incorporating the right foods into your evening routine, you're not just promoting better sleep, you're actively supporting your body's natural processes for repair, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall vitality. Your body, as you've seen, is perfectly designed to heal itself. And with the right nourishment, you can align with those natural rhythms to achieve deeper rest and long-lasting health. Magnesium, tryptophan, gut-supporting probiotics, and anti-inflammatory foods all play crucial roles in your nighttime nutrition. These foods aren't quick fixes. They're the building blocks that, when included in your regular routine, help your body thrive. Whether it's the calming effects of magnesium, the sleep-enhancing benefits of tryptophan, or the anti-inflammatory power of omega-3s and turmeric, each choice you make can be a small but mighty step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. If you're ready to take action and improve your sleep, try adding just 2 of these foods to your evening meals this week. You might start with magnesium-rich foods, like spinach or pumpkin seeds, paired with tryptophan-rich turkey or eggs. Track your sleep quality and see how your body responds to these changes. You may find that sleep comes more easily, that you wake up feeling more refreshed, or that your body feels less tense and inflamed. The foods we eat, especially in the evening, are a vital part of the healing process, particularly as we age. It's not about following the latest fad or relying on sleep medications. It's about giving your body the natural, nutrient-dense support it needs to function at its best. Your body is more than capable of achieving optimal health. You simply need to understand and provide the nourishment it craves. If you found this information helpful, let us know in the comments. What will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey of natural healing and healthy aging. Your body is ready. You just need to give it what it needs.